Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Warrior of the Sea. Today's video is for those people who are keep on asking me where do you stay on board a ship. So in today's video I'm going to give you a tour of my cabin. So let's start. So welcome to my cabin. This is my room. This one is my bed. ये मेरा सोफा है. In case of rolling, I'm using this one as bed also. This one is my cupboard. These are the overall for working, and this one is my washroom. And the last is the view from the window. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much.